Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure your computer is fully powered on and wait for Windows 11 to completely load up. You want to ensure everything is running smoothly before you begin the upgrade process, as this will help avoid any interruptions or errors during the transition. Once your PC is ready and everything has loaded, you'll want to access your system settings. Navigate to the Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the menu, then type in Settings and hit Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Windows Settings window, where you'll see several different configuration options available. From the Settings menu, look for and click on System. This section contains all your core system configurations and information. After clicking System, you'll be directed to your System Settings page. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu on the screen. Scroll through the options until you find About and click on it. This will display detailed specifications about your Windows PC, including your current edition, processor, RAM, and other important system information. Next, scroll down through the About page until you locate the option that says Change Product Key or Upgrade your edition of Windows. Click on this option and you'll be redirected to your Windows activation screen. This is where the actual upgrade process begins, so make sure you have your Windows 11 Pro product key ready before proceeding. Assuming you've already purchased a valid product key for Windows 11 Pro, click on the Change Product Key button. A small product key window will appear on your screen. In this window, carefully type in your Windows 11 Pro product key exactly as it was provided to you. Double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors, then click on Next to proceed. After you click Next, Windows will begin verifying your product key. Once the key is verified as valid, the upgrade process will automatically commence. You'll see the Windows 11 setup running as it upgrades your system from Home to Pro Edition. This process may take several minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting it. Your computer might restart during this process, which is completely normal. Once the setup finishes, your operating system will now be running Windows 11 Pro with all its enhanced features and capabilities. You've successfully upgraded your edition and can now enjoy the additional functionality that comes with the Pro version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.